What's up, guys? We back with another video. Today we're going to be working on another GMC Sierra single cab, just another sunroof, the usual here at Rob's Customs. Weld on, primer on top, get the headliner done, coming from Clovis, New Mexico. We're going to be getting it here shortly. I do work on other vehicles, other trucks during the week. A lot of times I don't post all my work, but I do post it on my Instagram if you want to see what's going out during the week. So, and we are working on a few other things. Working on the ZL1 scoop for a Chevy Colorado. I did finish up last night a 3-piece wing for a extended cab Chevy for a customer. He had it during the week. And I do have this another ZL1 I'm going to be working on. It's going to be going on another GMC HD hood. So stay tuned for all these. A lot of the times, like I said, if you want to see what's going on during the week, go to my Instagram, Rob's Customs. And I did pick up this, bought it last night, my little daily, so I don't have to move my bigger truck around. I did buy this. I'm gonna do some stuff to this little Nissan hardbody. It's pretty nice, 4-wheel drive, standard. I've always liked these hard bodies. I've had some in the past, but they were 2-wheel drive. But this one's nice because it's 4-wheel, so I don't have to drive this thing. Sometimes I gotta go to the junkyard and I gotta take this truck over there, and I hate doing that. So I picked this up. So stay tuned for this. We are working on this tomorrow. We're gonna get it all finished up. We're gonna do a last-minute sunroof. Customer wanted. Shave the rails and shave the gas tank. It's almost done with this truck. Like I said, we're gonna finish up the rails and then start on the sunroof, getting it ready for the customer to pick up finally on this truck. So alright guys, stay tuned. We got the truck coming on the way. I did hire some help, a buddy of mine's from work, so you would see him around the videos, just because I'm overwhelmed with work, and with him helping me out, should be able to push out a lot more work. Stay tuned for this video. On this one, we are going to do a complete paint job on this, outside only, no door jambs, going with the blue. It does have body work, needs to be done, but like I said, with the help I have now, we'll be able to pull out a lot more videos and a lot more work. So alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, we got the truck in. Sierra, typical of that tan. Alright, we'll start taking everything apart like usual. Alright guys, sunroof bracket is in. We're doing a final body work on top. And we'll go ahead and install the sunroof. And that's it, go from there. Install has been done, headliner installed. Everything's 100%. Let's check it out. Alright guys, that's it for the Chevy step side Clovis. Customer just left, he liked it. Black headliner, new sunroof. Stay tuned, we got a lot more. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.